This conflict is driven by a number of factors. One, Mr. Chairman, is the political competition and political incitement. There are incidents where even political leaders have been caused by the police to record statements, and investigations are going on. There are other matters that NCIC is investigating in relation to some leaders from that part of our country. Two, the proliferation of illegal firearms. Because of our porous border with South Sudan, and sometimes we suspect, even from Somalia, the movement of small arms in this area has been rampant over a period of time.
Rowdy group of people attacked the vehicles, including the chopper that was being used by the leader. That is a worrying incident that would like Chair to request that the CS could be able to update this committee.
Clearly, there must have been some choreography behind that, because it's not coincidental that these suspects had so much money broken in 50 shilling notes, and some of them, who are distributing this money around that particular time. The police have acted swiftly and decisively. We have 17 suspects whom we have taken to court. Investigations are going on, and we are still exploiting forensically some of the evidence we have, including phone numbers of the suspects and several other things that the DCI is doing that I would not like to discuss in an open meeting. We will go the direction investigations will point us.